This video shows how to replace the bypass tray feed roller for the Xerox VersaLink B620 printer. Press the power button. Then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Open the bypass tray. To release and remove the feed roller, press on the tab and rotate up. Then pull the assembly towards you while sliding the assembly out to your left. To install the new feed roller into the bypass tray, insert end of the shaft into the right side holder. Insert the left side end with the black gear facing down and slide the collar into the holder. Rotate the left end down until the clip latches into place. Close the bypass tray. Plug in both ends of your power cord. Power on the printer. After the replacement of the bypass tray feed roller, the supply counter must be reset manually. To reset the supply counter in the control panel, log into the printer with admin credentials. Touch Device app. Then select Tools. Inside Tools, touch Device Settings. Then choose Supplies. In Supplies, touch Supply Counter Reset. Then scroll the screen to select Bypass Tray Feed Roller. Touch the Reset Counter option, appears on the control panel. The Reset Counter confirmation pop-up appears. Touch Reset to confirm.